Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of my 1000 days challenge. This is day 817, so let's get things started. Alright, equity balance remain the same. I'm not entering any trade in terms of 4 hour and daily chart. I'm definitely did enter in terms of a long setup for the intraday chart itself, and I did manage to close in terms of profit wise. Right now, I'm again waiting for things to settle down again and for things to either consolidate or for clearer, nicer pullback action in order for me to enter potential long setup. So definitely on the intraday chart, there will be nice setup. But if you're looking in terms of daily chart or even 4 hour chart wise, as a trend follower, I still don't see any clear sign. So definitely in this kind of a daily chart action, we do see a very nice 4 hour kind of a potential trend forming over here. And from then on, actually zoom in on a shorter time frame, you can see actually pretty nice price action itself. Over here, some nice pullback, some re-entry itself. And yeah, but that's basically about what you'll be playing in terms of that. And then this setup definitely has been invalidated. I'll not be looking to enter this short. And yeah, all right. So going in terms of a quick run through in terms of the traditional financial market, we do look into S&P 500. We are looking to do really good. But bear in mind that we do have this 50 simple moving average that's sloping downwards, acting as potential dynamic resistance. As you can see, today we opened right in the middle of it. So definitely, I do think that this will be the first primary resistance that we tend to see. And we can break decisively above it and then retest for a clear support, then that could potentially spark a continuation pattern. Otherwise, this could be a very much a bear rally. But bear in mind that we did break above this high, and as long as we can maintain above this high, and then we do drop from a higher low, that would be a very good sign. Yeah, but of course, at the end of the day, we could still face a bear rally in that sense. Similarly, over here, we did break technically above this high as well. But bearing in mind, we do need to find support over here and then continuation towards the upside. Otherwise, I do think that further downside potential is still more likely in that sense. All right, in terms of ASHR wise, I mentioned yesterday we did gap down below there, leaning towards a potential capitulation has taken place, and the bear rally could still happen. And seeing how fast we rebound it to retest this 20 exponential moving average will be key. We retest this very quickly as well, and then we fail to drop decisively below it, then there could be a potential signs of accumulation phase, and that could spark a reversal in terms of trend wise. All right, but until that has taken place, definitely still leaning bearish side of things. Over on KREP wise, we did have a very nice potential capitulation. We attempted to hit this region of support. We're now seeing signs of support over here. But bear in mind that we are still below this gap. We want to close decisively above it, and then potentially a secondary drop attempt, and then a failed attempt to form a lower low. And that could give a confirmation sign for people to actually re-enter over here and potentially to ride the wave up, and it could form a potential V-shaped kind of recovery, and that would be the most ideal state in their opinion. Or alternatively, we could also consolidate over here for potential accumulation phase for potential reversal sign. I do think that overall the market seems to be a little oversell off, but bearing in mind that this thing can last for extended period of time, that nobody knows how long things can go. But at the end of the day, capital market still requires people to be putting money in, and I don't think at the end of the day we are getting less money in the market. So definitely over time, things should still be going towards the upside of things. All right, so with that said, yeah, for Bitcoin wise, definitely also potential shift of momentum. But we do want the 50 simple moving average the next time we do touches it to show signs of support. And until that has taken place, I still lean towards a potential bear rally in terms of 4 hour and daily chart. But if you're looking in terms of shorter time frame wise, then yes, I'll be looking to enter potential long, especially if there's very clear price action as what we are seeing on the 1 hour and shorter time frame right now. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.